Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. It is Monday, and that means it's Make It in a Minute Monday, and we're going to hopefully make this card in under 5 minutes. Shouldn't take us too long. It's fairly simple. We're going to be using the So Sentimental stamp set, and we're going to be using the I Can't Thank You Enough. And we're going to be using the Stitch So Sweetly dies that go right along with it as well. Absolutely love it. This is one of my new favorite ones. This is also in, both of them are actually in the mini catalog. And we're going to be using some glitter enamel dots. These are found in the annual catalog. And what I did is I went ahead and already pre-cut some items. We use the largest die from here. And then we cut off a smaller piece. And we're going to have all the measurements for you guys. We'll have it all posted. But we're going to use our normal card base. So that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm just going to give that a good burnish. Then we're going to take a piece of this Granny Apple Green. I'm trying to think outside of the box. I usually use bright colors, and I do love this color, but I don't use it enough. All right, so this piece just measures about 1/8 of an inch shorter than the front of our card base. So this should be 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and we're just going to put this right around there so there's just a little bit of white peeking out around the edges. Okay. Now we're going to take this piece. This is our designer series paper, and it's part of the Subtles 6x6 paper that you can find in the annual catalog. This color right here is the soft seafoam. All right, we're just going to put this right on the front like that. All right, we're going to take this little piece. I wanted to have it as a little accent piece, and then we're just going to put this on here as well. Okay, so we're just going to adhere this, and again, we'll have measurements later on for you guys. We'll have that posted, and I'm just going to put it right about there. Okay, now we're going to stamp our sentiment. Now I'm going to use Granny Apple Green ink. And we're just going to line this up. All right, perfect. Look at that. Okay, we're going to set that off to the side. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to pop it up on dimensionals. I love. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we are ready to plop this on front of our card right here. We're going to add a little bit of bling. Love these beautiful bright colors that they have for these. And we'll probably put a big one over here. Why not? Okay. We hope you enjoyed this card. If you have any questions or any comments, we would love to hear from you, and hope you enjoyed it, and hope you're all staying healthy. Have a wonderful Monday. Take care.